Today we will take a look at long-term memory. We'll see there are two types of long-term memory. We'll look at the evidence for whether memory records reality or just the gist of what happened, and we'll also look at different ways our memory makes mistakes. Some memories are of past events or of facts that we can talk about. These are declarative memories. They are also known as explicit memories, so those two terms are interchangeable. Declarative, way of remembering that is if you can talk about it, you can declare it. So these are memories that you know you have, that you have conscious awareness of. And similarly, the term explicit sort of refers to the same thing, that you are aware of them. They are information that is conscious and available to you, so they are explicit. Examples include memories of life experiences. These in particular are referred to as episodic memories. So episodic memories are memories of your life's episodes, essentially. Because they are of events that have already happened, they are also referred to as retrospective memories. Memories of facts or other knowledge are called semantic memories. So these may not be tied to any particular event or experience or anything like that. It's just something that you happen to know. Other types of memories influence how we respond to a situation, but they aren't easily talked about. These are then non-declarative memories, also known as implicit memories. Knowing how to ride a bike or play an instrument involves a procedural type of memory. Being able to recognize a familiar person or a word would be an example of a perceptual memory. So both these types of memories, procedural and perceptual, are examples of non-declarative memories, also known as implicit memories. As a college student, you have lots of experience taking tests to measure your declarative or explicit memory. Essay tests measure your ability to recall information. Multiple choice tests measure your ability to recognize the correct answer when you see it. Measuring implicit or non-declarative memory is a little more tricky because you can't just ask the person to tell you. One way is to do what Ebbinghaus did back in the 1800s. He figured out how much more quickly someone could do something after having done it once before. This is called a saving score. The more often we relearn something, the faster we can master it. The Golan Test uses incomplete drawings to measure implicit memory. The person being tested is shown each drawing in order of increasing complexity and detail until he or she is able to guess the object. Then an hour later, the sequence is repeated. Even people with really profound amnesia begin to recognize the objects after looking at only the incomplete drawings. This is the case even when they don't remember being shown the drawings before, don't remember even being in the room or with that person before. Another way is to see if people will perceive something that is vague or incomplete more quickly after seeing it recently. The dot clearing test is one example. So this is an example of what's called a reaction time measure. And so please go to the link for the dot clearing test now. You might need to allow pop-ups on your internet browser to do the test.